Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore unique ways to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid plus $50.00 every 10 minutes with a simple Google Translate hack. And the best part is, it's completely free. So, let's get started with this amazing opportunity to make money online in 2023. Step 1. Sign up for Transcribe Me. The first step to making money with Google Translate is to sign up for Transcribe Me. It's a transcription platform that pays you to transcribe audio and video files into text. It's completely free to sign up and you can start earning money right away. Step 2. Use Google Translate. The next step is to use Google Translate to translate the audio or video file into another language. You don't need to be fluent in the language, just use the translate function to get a rough idea of what's being said. Step 3. Transcribe the translated audio. Once you've translated the audio or video file, transcribe the translated audio into text on Transcribe Me. The reason why this works is because there are often not enough transcriptionists for non-English languages, so the demand is higher and the pay is better. Step 4. Cash out your earnings. The final step is to cash out your earnings. Transcribe Me pays out via PayPal once you reach a minimum threshold of $20. So, once you've earned enough money, simply request a payout and your earnings will be deposited directly into your PayPal account. Bonus tip: if you're able to transcribe in multiple languages, you can increase your earning potential even more. Simply repeat the same process in different languages and you'll be able to earn even more money with this simple Google Translate hack. Please keep in mind that while this method can be a great way to make money online, it does require some effort and time to transcribe the audio into text. So, don't expect to get rich overnight with this method. However, if you're willing to put in the work, this can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. So, there you have it, an amazing opportunity to make money online with a simple Google Translate hack. Just sign up for Transcribe Me, use Google Translate to translate the audio or video file, transcribe the translated audio into text, and cash out your earnings. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique ways to make money online in 2023.